Okay, let's check you in here. Let's make sure you're not an anomaly. Chloe, that's my best friend's name. Room 2? Okay. Refu! Refu, 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 refu. Refu, refu, refu. Refu on shift 2? That's insane. One time I got Refu. Refu gave me the key on shift 2. Okay, Refu, you see things. I know you see things, Refu. Okay, you're not an anomaly. That's good, Refu. Okay, I just need to check you and Refu. There you go, Refu. There you go. Room 5? Okay. I'm going. There's a ton of patients I need to treat. Okay. Analyzing samples. And doing a lot more stuff. Okay, check them in. Dehydration and stomachache you need IV drops and herbs. Let me go grab those. Okay, let me go grab those real quick and treat you up. There we go. Next one. Oh, hi. Let me analyze your sample again. I'm so excited. It's gonna be the best hospital ever. And I might do a part 2, guys. So stay tuned for next videos. That will be posted soon enough. I just took a little break for 10 days because I was hanging out with family and stuff, and now I'm finally back playing games and making you guys smile. Okay, let's do this, that, low sugar and stomachache. Okay, let me go get maple syrup and herbs. There's the herbs. Yep, I got the herbs. Here you go, Rafu. Perfect. Bye, Rafu. Oh, the shop is open. Let's go get some stuff. Boost that bump. Okay. Extra check-in window. Okay, guys, make sure you like and subscribe for another video of part 2. And now, goodbye.